Good morning, everyone, and good morning to you, Mom. This is my reflection paper and philosophy of education. Education is a transformative journey that shapes individuals and sacrifices. My philosophy education is rooted in the belief that education should be a holistic process that nurtures not only the intellect but also the emotional, social, and ethical dimensions of students. The philosophy is informed by my own educational experiences, critical examination of various teaching methods, and gained from a class discussion on educational philosophers. Next is how education should be conducted. I believe that education should be student-centered, encouraging active participation and fostering inquiry and exploration. These align with constructivist theories, which emphasize that students learn best through experiences. Additionally, education must be inclusive and equitable, recognizing the diverse backgrounds and abilities of all students. This perspective aligns with social reconstructionism, which seek to address social injustices through education. During a college community service project, I saw the positive impact of adapting teaching methods for underprivileged students, reinforcing my belief that education can promote social change and equity for all learners. Relation to educational philosophies. So my philosophy aligns with the following. First is the constructivism. I believe learning should be an active process where students engage in hands-on experiences. For example, creating a sustainable garden in high school allowed me to explore the environmental science in a meaningful way. Teachers should guide students in taking ownership of their learning. Secondly, progressivism. Education should prepare students for life beyond the classroom by fostering critical thinking and social engagement. My experience in the debate taught me to articulate my thoughts and consider different perspectives. Lessons should connect to the real-world issues, making learning relevant and purposeful. Lastly, the social reconstructionism. Education should serve as a tool for social change, addressing issues of equity and justice. My community service work with underprivileged youth highlighted the transformative power of education. I believe educators should empower students to challenge injustices and become active contributors to their communities. In conclusion, my philosophy of education is a blend of constructivism, progressivism, and social reconstructionism. I believe that education should be an active, relevant, and transformative process that prepares students for life in a democratic society while addressing social injustices by fostering environments that encourage exploration, critical thinking, and social responsibility. We can empower students to become engaged citizens and lifelong learners.